let's get in Ravi, who's calling in from Hyderabad. Hi, Ravi. What's your question on?
Yeah, very good morning, Alex.
Good morning. Good morning. Please go ahead.
Yeah, my question is regarding ITC.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm holding 50 shares of ITC at the price of 413. So my question is, the stock is getting correction, right? So shall I add more, or shall I wait for a couple of days so that the stock gets more correction?
Okay, and so you bought at levels of 413. Did you buy it based on the fundamentals on the long-term basis?
Yeah.
Okay, and so you would be comfortable as well holding for the long term. Let me go across to Samir on the fundamentals then. We're talking about now X of ITC hotels, ITC trading at 400 levels approximately, so he's not losing a lot of ground. Would you add more at the current juncture?
Absolutely. So I'm very positive on ITC. So look, the cigarette business, the reason one of the stock has fallen at this point of time is there's news around that the GST on say tobacco could be increased, which could hurt the margins and prices of the product would go up, which would lead to some amount of volume slowdown, maybe not degrowth, but growth in volume slowdown, which is quite possible when prices move up. But at the end of the day, what you've got to look at is this is a product that continuously grows. It goes through these periods of price adjustment where volume growth tapers out and then the volume growth restarts. It's a cash cow business which will continue to do well. So from the cigarette part of the business, all is well. Then let's work on the FMCG part. So that is where there's been a bit of a slowdown in the recent time because of urban consumption slowdown. But we believe that going forward with the incentives that the government of India has given plus the interest rate cuts, we will see consumption bouncing back. And once that happens, you will see the FMCG side of the business seeing a good uptick. And as that happens, the operating leverages will play out. They've already got a massive distribution reach. They've got brand products. They've got everything in place. It's a question of just using the leverage and now letting the leverage play out. So we believe that that will happen. And then maybe a few years down the line when the FMCG business gets its own scale and profitability, they will demerge that and lead to further value unlocking. So if you're a long-term investor, I say please add on. I think this stock can do a lot of wonders over the next 3 to 5 years.
All right, that's an interesting take coming in on ITC. The next counter that we're talking about is Chambal Fertilizers. Do we have the name? Okay, Vishwanatha Reddy from Andhra Pradesh